Okay, this is a short video showing my setup. I think I've about got it worked out. Mounted a new winch. The other one was too small. It broke my cable. It locked in the end position and it was a disaster. So I bought a bigger one, 3,500 pounds. So here we go. That's showing the mount that I made for it. I used the original jack or the winch plate. I made my own mounting plate with a bracing underneath it, so should be good to go. Then we come back with the cable, follow it back through here. I'm gonna have to update my pulley there. That one was shot, so I'm gonna have to get a new one for that. But anyway, the cable comes across. Mounted a piece of stainless steel on top of this old plate where the original clamp was. Here's my new clamp. It hooks in right here, just to the side. This is my new style clamp. It's an old wheel stud I sharpened up to hopefully grab the log or the 1-inch piece that's left at the very bottom. You can see a place for a zerk fitting. We've got nylon blocks in here so it slides on the stainless steel. Okay, now I'm using the original spring with a cable. Comes over through here, goes to a little something left over from one of my airplanes. It's a phenolic pulley. Goes to a aircraft grade clevis. So the cool thing about it is it works so far. I've got to put some kind of a tension device on this, so this will stay wherever I place it. As I cut lower and lower onto the log, it will actually I can move it down just like the dogs over there. They stay in where you place them. So same with this idea. All right, so while I'm on the other side, I've got the remote for the winch, and then I just go in. Now if this was up for a full-size log or wherever I want to place it, as you can see, it clears the right here, and plus it's below the log bed, so if I want to place it right there to hold an inch board, then I can. So anyway, here we go. Just slides across, and the spring pressure going through the pulley will pull it back. And then I can rotate my log and then reclamp it. And the cool part is all I have to do is this right here. Hang on. Disconnect my hook, then turn the freewheel knob on my winch, then come across this pulley, go down to my log turner, or come across this pulley right here and go straight out and then load my log. Now it's all done with a winch and not my back. So thank you very much.